Accounting Ledger Introduction. A ledger is the actual account head to identify your transactions and are used in all accounting vouchers. For example, purchase, payments, sales, receipts, and other accounts heads are ledger accounts. Without a ledger master, transactions cannot be recorded in Tally. All ledgers have to be classified into accounting groups. These groups and ledgers are classified broadly into profit and loss or balance sheet under expenses, income, liabilities, and assets. Example: purchase account ledger, sales account ledger, cash and bank ledger, etc. There are two predefined ledgers available in Tally Prime: Cash Ledger and Profit and Loss Ledger. Cash Ledger. The cash ledger is grouped under cash in hand. You can enter the opening balance as on the day the books begin. This ledger can be altered and deleted. Profit and Loss Ledger. The Profit and Loss account ledger is grouped under Primary. The previous year's profit or loss is entered as opening balance of the ledger. The balance entered is the opening profit or loss. It is shown in the balance sheet as opening of the profit and loss account in the liabilities. This ledger cannot be deleted, but it can be modified. We can view predefined accounting ledger in Tally Prime. From Gateway of Tally, Alter menu option, select Ledger, Ledger as Cash Account and Profit and Loss Account. Select Ledger to alter or modify. We can see Cash Account grouped under Cash in Hand. We can enter opening balance for cash balance, 1000 rupees as debit balance. Enter and accept. Similarly, we can modify profit and loss account, group as primary, opening balance as 5000 rupees, credit balance, enter and accept. Accounting Ledger Creation 1. Create accounting ledger as per given instructions. Income and expenses. Ledger name: Purchase Account. Group under Purchase Account. Statutory details: not applicable. Other information: not applicable. Second ledger. Ledger name as Sales Account. Group under Sales Account. Statutory details: not applicable. Other information: not applicable. Let's see how to create accounting ledger in Tally Prime. To create accounting ledger in Tally Prime, we need to navigate from Gateway of Tally. Under Master's menu information, select option Create. Under Accounting Masters, select option Ledger. Here we can see ledger creation page in Tally Prime. Before creation of master in Tally Prime, we can access F12 Configure to enable or disable general details, party details, bank related information for master creation in Tally Prime. Along with that, we can configure Show More Configurations, yes. Show All Configurations, yes. To view more information related to master creation in Tally Prime. We can enable or disable any information as per requirement. As of now, we will accept this page as it is. Enter to accept. Along with F12 configuration, we can also access more detailed information on button panel. More detailed information includes general details like name and alias, description, notes, bill-wise details, inventory values are affected, opening balance, party bank details. We can click on Show More option to display other information. Further, we can click on Show Inactive option to display further more information related to statutory and registration details. Now, let's create first ledger, purchase account. Alias not applicable. Group under purchase accounts. Type of ledger not applicable. Bank details not applicable. Opening balance. Opening balances are not required for ledgers created under profit and loss account. Hence, we will not enter opening balance. Enter to accept. Similarly, we will create sales account. Alias not applicable. Group under sales accounts. Type of ledger not applicable. Bank details not applicable. Opening balance not applicable as well. Enter and accept. Accounting ledger creation 2. Further, we need to create more ledgers. Ledger name as factory rent expenses. Group under direct expenses. Statutory and other information not applicable. Second ledger office rent expenses. Group under indirect expenses. Statutory and other information not applicable. Factory rent expenses. Group under direct expenses. Type of ledger not applicable. Other information not applicable. Enter and accept. Next, office rent expenses. Group under indirect expenses. Enter. Type of ledger not applicable. Other information not applicable as well. Enter and accept. Next ledger name business promotion expenses. Group under indirect expenses. Statutory and other information not applicable. Next ledger commission income. Group under indirect income. Statutory and other information not applicable. Business promotion expenses. Under indirect expenses. Other information not applicable. Commission income. Under indirect incomes. Other information not applicable. Enter and accept. Now we need to create a data ledger. Ledger name as Sundaram Tech Enterprises. Group under sundry debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Default credit period 30 days. Check for credit days during entry, yes. Address A11 Kamal House, Andheri East, Mumbai, MH 400058. PAN and opening receivable amount. Ledger name as Sundaram Tech Enterprises. Group under sundry debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Default credit period as 30 days. Check for credit days during voucher entry, yes. Address detail A11 Kamal House, Andheri East, Mumbai, State Maharashtra, Country India, PIN code 400058, bank details not available, PAN, enter, opening balance 58,500, enter, debit balance, enter bill reference number, opening bill number 147, dated on 25th of March 2023. Due on 27th of April 2023. Enter and accept.